Hi guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, you will get the process to set up Cudy re1200 extender device. Let's start the process. First you need to plug the Cudy re1200 extender next to your router, and wait until the Cudy Wi-Fi range extender LED turns solid on. Now, press the WPS button on your router, and then press the WPS button on the extender within 2 minutes. The Cudy extender LED will start to flash. Wait until the LED turns solid on, which means the extender connects to your existing host Wi-Fi network. If you want to set up using web browser, then open a web browser and go to cudy.net or 192.168.10.1. The quick setup window will pop up. Choose Wireless Extender, then go Next. Choose your time zone, select the host network you want to extend. Click on Connect. Select the host network you want to extend. Click on Connect. Enter the host network's wireless password. Customize the Wi-Fi name and the password is the same as your host network. Click Save Apply to complete the configuration. If you face any kind of issue in Cudy re1200 Wi-Fi extender or need any kind of assistance, then you can reach us. Thanks for watching.